Welcome back to Crafting with Poetry Science, Canva edition. Graduation season will be here within no time. Do you see how beautiful these graduation fans are? And check out the images on here. These are done in AI. These are AI images, and I can show you today how to create stunning images like these for your graduation product mockups. Let's go in. Let me see how beautiful they are. I'll show you today how to design these images for free, these AI images for free, so that you can create mockup for your products. Okay, so where we're going to go to Bing. Yes, Bing, Bing.com. Bing is from Microsoft. As long as you have a Microsoft email account, you will get the access to create images in Bing.com for free. These are for free. Every day you will get 15 credits, and with the credits you can design images. I just put my words in and I got these amazing images. Don't you see they are very suitable to create mock-ups with product mock-ups for graduation if you're selling graduation items. These are very good for that. I will show you how to go about it. Okay. I'll show you the words that I put in. For instance, and no, a female African American graduate, comma, dressed in a gown and cap. So dressed in gown and cap. Now we're gonna put the color in here. Let's say dressed in. We have red already. Let's say blue gown and cap. Um, gold, gold lining. I put here gold lining. Okay, it will have gold essentials like these on her. Gold lining, and she is smiling. I'll put makeup. I put bright face. So like nice shiny makeup. Bright face. Let me see. Um, let's say. Let me see. Holding a rolled diploma in her hand. Yeah, I think I have everything. Oh yeah, um, beautiful her hair, beautiful wavy hair extensions, beautiful. Let me see. Let's put with um brown high brown highlight at the, let's see, bottom. Let's see what we will get. I think we will get good stuff. Let's go back. Mhm. I just put in words of what I wanted. A female African American graduate. She's dressed in a blue gown and cap, gold lining. She's smiling. She has makeup on and her face is bright. She's holding a rolled we are here. She's holding a rolled diploma in her hand. She has beautiful wavy hair extension with brown highlight at the bottom. Maybe let me see. Maybe I can find another word for the bottom. Let's see. Okay, ignore. Okay, and then I'm going to create it. Let's see what we will get. Okay, look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful they are. The thing that I don't like about this is that They cut off the hair here. But look how beautiful they are. She's holding it. Let's go to the other one. Yes, I love it. Wow, amazing. They are beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a way to push them to the back. Like I'll put in here, let's say, holding a rolled diploma. I'll put here um zoomed out. I'll try with zoom out. Zoom out two times. Let's see how it will be. Okay, I have them here. They are still beautiful, but they are not zoomed out. Oh, they are not zoomed out. Okay. Let me check something here. Do we have? I don't see aspect ratio. I don't see aspect ratio. So the zoom out, they don't work. Let me go back. Zoom out. Let's see something. Standing before a, let me see. Standing before a book shelf. Let's see if this will work. Let me change her clothing, the color of her clothing, the color of her gown. Let's put green. Okay, and we add in green, and the other word is standing before a bookshelf. Maybe that will work. Okay, we are getting there. Still the everything of the head is not coming, but these are surely useful. Very, very useful. These are surely useful. You can go in and change the color of her gown and cap. Yeah, and her hair color. You see, you can change her hair color. You can give her pixie cut, whatever color. They came out really nice. Look at that. The ladies are beautiful. These are surely useful. Very, very useful. Let's add one more. Mm, in pink gown, pink and black gown. Gold lining, and then I'll add whole cap visible, whole cap visible. Maybe this will help. And then I'm gonna run it again, and then we will see. Okay, let's see. She is sexy. She's not what we want. No. Yep. But the cap is still staying away. They are so, so beautiful. They are so beautiful. Okay, let's grab some of these, and then we're going to use them for a mock-up really quick. I'm going to grab one. Let me see which one of these ladies. Let's say this one right here. I'm just gonna right click. I'll use it in Canva. Copy image, and then I'll go into Canva. Okay. And I'll edit the lady here, and then I'll put her in. You see how beautiful it is? So you can use this as mock-ups for your items. As mock-ups. Let's see. Double click, and you can drag her a little bit down. You see that? So you can use these for your mock-ups for your items. Look, I have this on my website. This right here, you can order them, and sell um you can sell these graduation frames on your website. These are digital files, and I sell them I sell them as PLR, but they are in a bundle. If you want to order these to sell them, to resell them as PLR items, you need to order the whole bundle from my website. But if you want to only use them for your business, you don't want to sell digitals, you can order these also from my website. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you have these and you want to sell them, you don't want to take pictures of people and use, you want to be safe. You don't want people to sue you and all that. Go to Bing, come, and then create an email. If you don't have an email yet, Microsoft email, create a Microsoft email, and then start designing. Come back to this video and check out the prompt. A female African American graduate, and you can also change it to a male graduate dressed in, and then change the hair and the hairstyle. Let's see really quick if we can do that. Let's go. A male African American. We will take out a makeup. Makeup. We'll leave the bright face. Makeup, smiling, holding a roll. Beautiful wavy hair. We're gonna take it out. We can say, oh, highlight at the bottom. No, we don't want that. Bookshelf. Standing before a bookshelf. Let's go back here. Okay. In his hand. Make sure you change all the pronouns, or you will end up with image that you didn't want to. A handsome, let's say handsome. A handsome male African American graduate dressing green gown. Let's see what it will be. So you can change male to female and female to male, and you change the color of their gown, and you change the hairstyle. Okay, they look familiar. The thing is, why they have jeans down here? Why they have jeans down there? Look at that. I don't know what's going on. Why these guys have jeans? Maybe we should say white on the shirt. Let's go see. White, brown gown, white in a green gown. Okay. White, white on the shirt. White on the shirt and all that. I don't want the jeans down there. Okay, let's see what we got. We still have the jeans, but here he went to white on the shirt. Yeah, we are close. We are getting close. Okay. So you can come here and create these and use them just like I showed you in Canva to create your mockups. Even if it's Silhouette Studio, you can, if you still use them. You come here, you download them here. If you don't want to download them yet, you save them. You click here and this, and you have selection, create a selection, add like grads, okay, grads, and then you can save your images in there. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions. Have a great day. Bye.